Hi, Thursday's Downtown vendors. I'm Katie Adelman, Director of Content and Communications with the Rochester Downtown Alliance, and I'm here to share a short instructional video on how to create your vendor profile for this year's Thursday's Downtown Virtual Market. You should have received an invite to become a virtual market vendor with the email you used in your Manage My Market application. And without further ado, let's get started on creating your profile in Sharetribe, the Thursday's Downtown Virtual Market platform. Okay, so the starting point of this tutorial is in your email, and you're going to look for an email from Thursday's Downtown that we had emailed the Manage My Market application email that you use to apply for Thursday's Downtown. So click on that email and you're going to click this Join Now button. And that will take you to Sharetribe. And you basically just add in the email that you want to use so that anybody trying to buy your products can contact you with, and that's the email that you'll get notifications to. And just enter all of your other information. And if you have a vendor website, this is really helpful so that others can find your products any other time. If they want to search your profile, they can find that from there. And then click Accept the Terms and Conditions and the Privacy Policy and all the other boxes. And click Create Your Account. And you're going to go to your email where Sharetribe is asking you to confirm your account. So you click on the Confirm button. And you're into the market. And from here, you can see the homepage of Thursday's Downtown, the virtual market. And up in the top corner here, you can customize your profile. The inbox is where you'll see communication from people that are looking to buy your products or anything like that. Listings is basically the products that you'll upload later on in another video tutorial that we'll share with you. These can be found here. Profile, and then the settings button. This is also really helpful in determining if you have a specific vendor name you want showed up. Specific vendor name you want to show up in the market. So I'm going to do as mine, ABC Photography. You can do your location. So if you're a local vendor, this is good for people to see that you're local. And then phone number so that people can contact you if they have questions about their product or anything like that. They can easily get a hold of you if it's not through email. You can upload a profile picture and type in a little bit about you as a vendor and just save your information. And that's really all there is to creating a Sharetribe account for our virtual Thursdays market. We hope you found this video tutorial to be helpful in setting up a Sharetribe vendor profile for the Thursdays Downtown virtual market. If you'd prefer a written step-by-step instruction sheet, we have it linked on this page right here as well. And with any further questions about the Thursdays Downtown virtual market, please contact RDA Director of Events, Monica Kopit. We're excited to implement a virtual market for Thursdays Downtown this year and look forward to launching it mid-June. Stay tuned for the next video about how to upload your products to Sharetribe.